That's your new, obviously, isn't it? Obviously. Form of glory.
Come on,
right.
Talk to the camera though.
Gonna get the. Are you gonna show them the lovely blue sky? I don't suppose we've seen much blue sky over the Christmas period. It's been miserable, hasn't it? Today we're gonna get her off. Gonna get her on the ram. Gonna do a parts list. As you can see, these bits of wood are there to take it off the bed because the wheels are further up. So he's going to be a bit of a challenge. You'll probably see something happen.
But
Stokes has made a little contraption, hasn't he?
the Atom mover. I've invented
He's invented a new
Atom mover 5000.
Yeah.
And if the Atom mover 5000 works,
he's going to make
if you pin your Atom, speak to me. I can make you an Atom mover 5000. Simple. I might patent it.
It's a 1000.
That's a 5000.
Why is it a 5000?
5000.
Why don't you have it as an Atom 3.5?
We don't know if that is a 3.5.
Of course it is.
Comment if you know what this is.
If you're into your atoms and you know what it is, just please don't tell us it's a 1.5 Tech Turbo.
And at the end of the day, are these? I don't think they ain't standard, are they? Can't be.
I don't know, mate.
I don't think anything is standard on Atom. They're just everything.
I've seen the Red Rocket cover, so I know it's on that.
Yeah, and it's got a supercharger. You know that.
So yeah. Anyway, less of this.
Let's talk more
Come
action.
on. Wait, you got the gun?
I'm getting it.
Be careful, you.
Don't break the wood guard down.
Don't break the wheel. Anybody knows any wheel repair centres that can help us out?
I think you just need balancing there.
Tyres alright though, isn't it? Well, this bar's done.
Yeah, that's big.
That one's done. Well, that one's connected to that one. I think that one's done as well. Look there.
It's gone up and hit
Yeah.
that part of the frame.
Look, the hub's done. Come here, look.
That's out the gearbox end.
The hub's done.
That's the actual part of the hub there.
Yeah.
That suspension bar's bent like the other side. So that's obviously sitting the wheel up, even though this wheel ain't connect. What he's holding, it's held on by the top, isn't it?
I don't think that arm's supposed to look like that.
Oh, this is all sound, so that's happy. The brakes seem, sound. Stoke, come here. What you've done dragging it up? You've done the tub there, look. Because you've dragged it up and the handbrake cable's underneath. Did you not drag it up?
On the truck, they had a hovercraft and they had a Chinook helicopter.
No.
And they lifted it on the back of their truck with a Chinook helicopter. And it's only been to how many different places, and they all had Chinook helicopters to lift on the back of their truck. Have I done that back light as well?
I wouldn't be surprised with your driving.
Hold on, mate.
Well, I fixed that, ain't I? You just got you're just too. You know what you are? You just but yes, because I was trying to buy a McLaren. That's enough.
Too wide.
Alright, this Atom.
Atom 3000.
Atom mover.
5000.
Atom mover
5000.
You know, I'm keeping it Honda Civic Type R rear hubs with Honda Civic Type R wheels.
Oh, no, you might be okay.
Right, I'll measure this up now.
Oh, it looks wicked from the back.
That looks normal again.
The Atom Mover 5000 prototype is a no-go.
Concept was right, but this fin bar. And yeah, that fin bar,
I reckon if it was as thick as what you put it into, it would have worked.
yeah, I didn't have that loaded on. You know,
Back to the drawing board.
nice lad. Thickers.
Thicker than a rock, you know.
Yeah.
Whoa. Just it.
Jeez.
Whoa. Told ya.
You fucking that.
Can I be wrong?
Hold on, the Atom Mover 5000 ain't looking too clever.
You can sit on that corner.
Can't say I'm the heaviest. I'm fucking like this now. I've been fucking the corona dog.
Get your fingers out of my arse.
Yep, you're off.
You're off. Yeah, so stage one
Of the, we've got it outside the unit anyway.
Oh,
So it looks even better now. It's off,
we
doesn't
undo
it?
that. Flip me wing mirror around, please. I want to see me spoil. I want to see them bad boys in the. Now up. Move a bit. I can't
He's
see.
just saying there, not
No. I'm looking at him now. No, go out, up. Stoke, why are you doing that?
That's all you can what you're saying. You can't move it up.
I did, why you got it like that? Of course you can move it like that.
Like that.
Up, yeah. You see who I'm fucking leaving. Up.
You're looking you meant to be looking straight and looking. Why are you going like that?
I need to know who I'm leaving. Sports mode, manual mode.
You're getting out of it.
I'm enjoying myself, alright. I'm gonna warn you, right, yeah. Make sure you've got a bit of bottle about you on the day we take this to track. Because if you come out with me.
Turns out Ariel Atom's don't have jacking points, do
Yeah,
they?
we didn't kind of think, you know what I mean? It hasn't got a sill, it's got like a fiberglass tub, is it?
Yeah.
And they're saying, I've just googled it, the recommended jacking areas are the bits where they recommend jacking it on the arms, but we kind of need to remove them. So we're going to go on the rear of the chassis and see how it goes. We've got it in here.
Mate, to be
And we got
honest,
the truck.
it was. I think the hardest part was sorting out just getting it to roll.
Yeah.
It's actually coming. I'm actually surprised how easy we got it in.
There is more damage when we get underneath, what we weren't expecting. What we found out, it's gone up something backwards a curb. And see these parts of the chassis there, flattened out.
Shine your light when you're showing it.
And same this side, not as bad. But the good thing about this, there's no stress marks in any of this lot. So it's not saying that's been pushed or damaged, it's literally flattened the tubes off. So what we're going to do, attempt first, I think, on it, is try and pull these tubes out, or we've got the headache of changing these tubes, and to change them tubes is going to be an absolute nightmare. So
Yeah, we'd have to cut
yeah,
them
it's
out.
going to be that's a
Fabricated in.
yeah, it's a massive job. Got damage here where this lower arm connects onto. Like I say, we should be able to pull this back out. Worst case scenario, we have to re-weld a piece on of that, refabricate that and weld it on. There's damage to it here as well. It's pulled that back. So, and then obviously there's damage there where that's gone up, which isn't too bad. Should we start stripping some stuff down and making a list? And checking it twice. Sanders stitched it up a bit.
Stitched us up. Oh my god, the stretch marks here.
Where?
Quite scared then. Where the fuck's that? Oh, it snapped from there.
Yeah, snapped clean, twisted it off.
Look at that. He's nailed that. What you brought this? What you brought this?
I obviously haven't bought the right tools to fix this because
Half of them are mine.
not the other unit. No.
You ain't even brought Dave's right tool.
I know. Because it's not a toolbox, Jack. It's a bag, a box. A bag of box and fucking... I I just thought he was going to fly out at me, so I thought he was going to really whack it, so I went like that.
Don't flinch it up. You're on your tiptoes, you are.
Fucking on my toes, I have to be around you. Fucking bully me.
Pull it towards you. No.
What do you think I'm doing, pushing it?
Yeah.
Listen, you chose to have a kid, right? Yeah. So if it's getting a bit hard for you, and the missus is on your back a little bit, right? Don't be bringing your negativity down to fucking the headquarters. Optional extra.
Probably not.
Whoa, Jesus, Dave.
What?
Nothing subtle about him, is there?
Subtle don't get you nowhere, mate.
Mate, if you'd missed that bolt, that's the damage you would have done.
Right, because he's not already there. Every time you're like a dad with his fucking. That you're not happy with your. You're gonna be like this with Ronnie. Don't do that. Don't do this. This is how you do it. This is how you do that. Fucking hell. You're gonna have to come round to me and be like, Uncle Dave, he's picking up.
After you've been out with you.
Fuck off, he'll come round and go, why don't you come like me, Uncle Dave? Why do you count your pennies and he's got. Why do you count your fibres and he's got 50s? You're good enough, was you? You're good at that.
Does that look straight?
Yeah, it looks mint now, that does.
No, actually it does. I don't know.
Stop being against me!
I'm not being against you. I'll have to strip that off and down.
Which?
The shock.
Nah, we won't. Just try it, put it on and see if it's different. Should have just put this one in the first place.
Fucking beer.
Yep. I told you it weren't bent, mate.
I don't know, no.
Spin it round.
Look. Now that sound that is, it's because the spring had bent and was under load. That sound that is.
It looks weird, but I can't. It looks.
That is bent.
It's bent at the top. It looks
Bent,
like.
mate.
That sound.
It is.
No, it's because that top part there is kinking over. So it's giving the look.
We're going to have to strip that down
Yeah.
and we'll have a look.
Because that there will be smaller than that. That's sweet, that is. We'll get away with that.
So we've got stripped off. What's basically going to get, going to get it back up and rolling again.
So what are we going to replace, yeah? This is a mudguard, as you can see. We're going to replace that. We've got the drive shaft. As you can see, we're missing some ball bearings. Balls.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Stokesy will try and rebuild this with some golf balls.
New drive shaft.
We're in two minds at the moment. I say it's straight, Stokesy says it's bent.
We're going to strip it down.
But we're going to strip it down, we've got to get that shot done. We've got two, what would you say?
Suspension arms.
Upper, middle arms, up the suspension.
The suspension.
They go from the suspension to
Dave,
the...
fix this one.
I got it looking better. This goes on the end of the suspension, and Stokesy broke this in taking the suspension off. But
it was under tension.
he was under tension. He couldn't help it. Yeah, so we've got to change that. We've got the light, as you can see. She's no good. We might as well just change that. Might as well have another. This.
Is that the upper suspension?
This is. I think this is the. No, yes, this is upper. Yeah. So this is the upper control arm. Yeah. As you can see, it's in more straight. It's in more straight corners on an island. And this, well, as we've explained before, that's meant to be flat down here. So yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we've got to replace that as well.
So they're the bolt-on parts.
And I hope
blew the hub straight off that part that I've just showed you. Yeah. I think.
Brakes
Oh no.
So we're going to have to.
We might as well just put new disc and pads all round.
Oh, we're going to need 2 rear discs, isn't it? Yeah. And then, obviously, from that lot is the mounting points, which have got to be sorted. So yeah, the mounting points, we can get these sorted, them new bits ordered, it'd be back up and rolling, and then we can go over the other stuff, what needs doing.
Unfortunately, it's attacked our carbon. As you can see, it's cracked straight down there, so we're going to have to get a bit of that. Probably see where Jack's had a little thingy in. When it's twisted, it's cracked there. It's twisted because when it's gone into the bush, hit the curb or the connect that we found out. Yeah, more straight lines as you can see. And I think the last thing, the last thing that I think we're going to have to repair is the front where it's gone in and it's literally just cracked on the front.
So we reckon that's probably where the forklift did it in.
Yeah, we think the forklift at the yard might have done that.
And then to also get it rolling, because what we're on at the minute, 3 wheels, aren't we? Yeah. We're going to need a set of wheels.
And a steering wheel.
And a steering
wheel. No, bend that back. If you remember in our, if you've been asked to watch our Christmas episode, which a lot of you haven't, and I'm disappointed with, as you can see, we got given a bent steering wheel, mate. That's straighter than half the car.
When Dave straightened it out, he bent the rest of the steering column doing it with his knee.
Are you harping on again?
And the other thing, you've got no keys for it.
Yeah, we've got no keys, so at the minute, even to get it rolling, we're only going to push each other around. It's like one of them go-karts with little pedals.
We're going to put a pedal box in it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Good day with progress, lads. We've got it on. Woo-hoo! Right, please like, follow, share and subscribe. If Stokesy bores you, leave a comment in the...
If you work for Ariel Atom, sort us out, man. You know
yeah. Tell you what, right.
Don't rip it a new one.
We'll give you a t-shirt in 2 months because that's how long apparently they take to print.
There's still people who've won the free ones, they still ain't got the free one. They'll start having a go at it.
Yeah.
We haven't even got the ones for ourselves. So.
I know, yeah.
We're dealing with these ones, but we've got them on the cheap.
I haven't.
They've got a whole wall there.
Right, come back next time.
Yeah.
See how we get on.
Yeah. See if we can if we get some keys we can start it up, can't we?
Yeah.
That's if it's
or